So Moringa has existed for decades, but we really saw it on the Jamaican scene in about 2012. Now we are talking about Miracle Moringa with founders Joe Stevens and Mike Major here with us this morning. Gentlemen, good morning to you.
Good morning.
Thank you for being here. Moringa is something we hear more about now. We drink it in tea, and now you have these tablets. Joe, let me talk to you about how it all started very randomly in 2014.
Yeah, I came here to visit a friend of mine in St. Elizabeth, and while I was here, he was talking about Moringa. He was talking about how it helped him and helped his hair grow and a bunch of different things.
Had you heard about it before?
Never heard about it.
Never heard about it before, yeah.
So I actually didn't even, I took it back to America and didn't have an intention of starting anything. Gave it away to everyone, and everyone I gave it to started using it.
Yes.
And so then they came to me and wanted more. So then we started to talk about the idea of importing it.
You took it in its natural form.
Yeah,
so
pure
they were
powder.
using it to do tea or what?
Yeah, they're mixing it with food, tea, different things like that. Yeah.
Okay,
Just
and
pure
at that
powder.
point you were like, "This, there's gold here."
Yeah.
I
it
gold
worked.
here. Yes.
It worked. Yeah.
So back to Jamaica you came.
Yeah.
And you actually get the product from St. Elizabeth.
St. Elizabeth.
And then you go home to
Yeah.
Los Angeles and you produce there.
Yes.
Okay. So this line launched in 20.
It probably launched about 2015.
Right, yeah.
It's about
Okay.
how they took a
Beginning of
long
2000.
time.
And how did Mike get on board?
Well, he came with me to Jamaica that
Okay.
first trip, but again, we didn't really talk about it then. It wasn't really till the next year. And then he's in marketing. We're both in marketing to different degrees. So we talked about it and decided to start trying to make the company work.
Yeah. So how has it been since you launched?
It's been really good.
Yeah.
You know, I actually was taking Moringa before I ever knew about it, and then when I took this Moringa, it was totally different from what I grew in my backyard to what was grown here, and it's just totally different now. I take 6 to 8 capsules a day.
Yeah. So you're saying it can take anywhere from 2 to...
2 to 4, 6 to 8, depending on who you are. Normally they'll take 2 to 4 or 4 to 6.
And what would the benefits of Moringa be for the folks who are watching who are like, oh, one more miracle this, one more miracle that? If you take this power boosting tablet, you call it, what will it do for you?
Well, the first thing it'll do is energy. That's like right out of the gate. You get a lot of energy. You take it for within the first day or two, you start to feel a huge difference with energy. And then it has a lot of other health benefits that are more long-term, like blood work, thyroid issues, diabetes. It helps with a lot of that. My sister started taking it, went back to her doctor. They ran her blood work, and the doctor came out and said, hey, what are you taking? Your blood's totally different. So she told the doctor what she was taking. Now she goes into that clinic, and she does demonstrations about this because the doctor asked her.
Wow.
Yeah, it made such a big difference with
And that's
her.
your sister.
Yeah,
That's
it's my
one
sister.
testimonial,
Yeah.
but there are more.
Oh, there's many. There's a
Amazing.
lady that just emailed us, lost 40 pounds. Good friend of mine, same thing, went to the doctor, said, your blood work, you're a 25-year-old kid, and he's 55. So, I mean, I get stories or testimonies all the time of people that call, our company, hey, it's done this, my hair's fuller, my acne went away. It's considered the most richest nutrient plant on the earth. And Moringa itself is unknown to a lot of people, especially Jamaicans. And so the difference with the alkaline soil here is that it's all organic, no mechanical reapers, no pesticides, weedicides, herbicides. It's 100% of the leaf in a moisture-free room, which makes a huge difference outside of all the other companies that mass produce it and use machinery.
Which was my next question, because Joe, you come to Jamaica and you reap here, and there's Moringa available in other places, but you say the Moringa here is completely different.
Yeah, the quality, there's no comparison. So we've worked with different people that were trying to do sales for us in America. They wanted us to either grow in America or buy from India or China, somewhere cheaper, but the quality, there's no comparison. So the first way we knew was you can buy Moringa off the shelf in America at some health stores. So we bought some, and we had a friend of mine tried it. So they were taking it for a while. Then we got our product in from Jamaica. The color's different, the smell's much stronger. The quality levels, it's not even close
More
to being
authentic.
the same. Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
so where are you now, Mike? Where do you market now? Where's the
In
products
Los
available?
Angeles.
So you're just in LA now?
Yes.
But you're coming to the Jamaican market?
No, we actually sell all over the world.
Oh, that's what I was
Yeah.
asking. So the product is available
Yeah,
anywhere?
we import to Los Angeles, and then it ships out of Texas, where I live.
Okay.
And so we do production in Los Angeles, and we ship out of Texas. But I think we sell to 30, 40 different countries right now, all over the world.
That's fantastic.
Yeah.
Okay, so if people are looking for healthier hormonal balance, you say they can get it here.
Absolutely, yeah.
If you're looking for higher energy levels, the gentlemen who are looking, well, and the ladies too, I guess, for increased libido. Yes?
Well, it works. I mean, it totally changes your body. It gives your
Easier
body.
fat loss, lean muscle gain, superior stamina. You say that's all available in this Miracle Moringa.
Absolutely.
Yeah. Is it exorbitantly expensive? If you're getting all that in a bottle, maybe I'd have to take a loan out to go on.
No, it's not that bad. You know, the thing is if you want all these different types of vitamins, like it has more calcium than milk, it has more vitamin C than oranges.
Yes, I'm looking at this.
It's in the brochure. Yeah.
Two times the protein of yogurt, 7 times the vitamin C of oranges, 4 times the vitamin A of carrots, 4 times the calcium of milk, 3 times the potassium of bananas, and 75% of the iron in spinach.
Yeah. So people take all kinds of multivitamins instead of just taking one tablet that has everything in it.
And this is that tablet?
Yes.
Instead of taking 6 multivitamins, you take one
Absolutely.
Moringa tablet. Where will it be available in Jamaica?
Well, you can order right online at realmoringa.com.
R-I-O, real or real?
Real, R-E-A-L,
Right,
and
real.
then Moringa, M-O-R-I-N-G-A.com. And there's an order now tab, and you just can order. Our most popular package is 4 bottles, which is, everybody purchases 4 bottles.
Okay. So you won't be in storefronts here. You're just going to be online.
No, it's all online,
Okay.
even in America.
Realmoringa.com. You've heard about the health benefits. You're seeing some there on screen. And these gentlemen say that if you try this, it will help your body in more ways than you can count. Right?
Yeah, that's
okay.
right.
Anything you want to add before we go, Joe? Let me give you the last word.
No, I mean, this product, literally, I didn't come here to buy it or sell it. It was just so incredible when I came to Jamaica that I came back and we started
Do you
the
use
company.
it?
Yes, absolutely.
Do you use it?
Yes.
And what has
Yeah.
it done for you both?
For me,
Yes.
what it's done for me, out of anything, I'm already pretty high energy, but my cognitive skills, like my thinking is super sharp, super clear, like a cup of coffee all day. You're just going through your day.
Yeah.
I don't feel sluggish or
I'm
tired.
just saying.
Yeah, no, for
Daily
me-
session needs six buckles.
Yeah.
You need 12. Oh my gosh. All right. Well done. Thank you very much,
Yes.
gentlemen. It's called Miracle Moringa Power Boost 100% Jamaican grown
Yes.
Moringa. Founders of Miracle Moringa, Joe Stevens and Mike Major. Thanks again, gentlemen.
Nice.
What's
Thank you.
brewing in Nana's kitchen? We're going to find out after this break. I'm going to take a tablet or 6. Yeah.